going on, guys? It's Adam here, and welcome back to part 2 in this 2-part series. And in this video, we're going to be taking a look at the brand new Pixel 6 Pro. Now, yes, this is a phone released by Google, honestly not too long ago. But what really got me interested in this phone was that it has its own built processor called the Google Tensor chip. Now, will this compare to Apple's A series chips? In performance, probably not. But in other ways, we could be genuinely surprised. So, in this video, we're going to be taking a look at and unboxing the brand new Pixel 6 Pro. So, let's get started. So, right away we are presented with an absolutely beautiful box. Google has the same strategy as Apple in this case, where the box is very thin and very small. However, it's not as Apple-esque, if you could say, because it does have some kind of weird pull tabs on the side. So, pulling each one off, they're both very satisfying to pull. We can turn over the box, and we can lift it up with a satisfying lift to see our brand new Pixel 6 Pro. I chose the stormy gray, black, space gray, whatever color it is. I chose that color in 128 gigabytes because I thought that would be plenty enough for testing it. I actually purchased this Pixel under the Pixel Pass, so $55 a month for 24 months. Now that we've taken the Pixel 6 Pro out of the box, let's get onto the accessories and paperwork that is inside the Pixel 6 Pro box. So we have a USB Type-C to USB-A transfer adapter. Next up, we have the USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, which is very nice rubber feeling. And then paperwork after that in this cute little packet. However, no Google stickers, so that is a little bit of a shame. But other than that, once we put everything back in the box, we can do that satisfying peel on the Pixel 6 Pro. Beautiful. And we can turn it on. This is at 4 times speed. Turning this thing on, which actually takes a while to boot up for the first time. It says, "Welcome to your Pixel 6 Pro." That's everything you get with the box. Now, back to the video. So, unboxing the Pixel 6 Pro, right away we can obviously see that the back is glass. So that's honestly a very nice welcome, because we know in the past Google has been kind of divided on what they do with the back of the phone. Sometimes it's been like this weird plastic thing. Other times it's been this like matte material, like what's on the iPhone 12, even though it wasn't glass, it was like plastic. This is a glass back, and yes, it does wirelessly charge. I would hope for $900 it wirelessly charges, and it does. So, continuing off that, we have a bright, beautiful AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, unlike the 90, which is found on the Pixel 6. Beautiful screen, very bright, very vivid, and you can view it both indoors and outdoors. So, another thing that I found really interesting taking this out of the box is that the phone actually has a little bit of a waterfall display. Now, I know it can be really severe on some phones, like how the Edge used to have like some pretty severe corners on the edge. This one, it waterfalls just a little bit over the edge. However, I kind of find it very nice. The viewing angles are pretty good, solid. There may be a little bit of a minor color shift, especially on the edges, since it is the display that is shifting. So you can see some like weird yellow color fringe when you tilt the display a little bit. I don't know if that'll persist or if that's just like it needs calibration. I'm not sure. I just noticed you can, when you shift it off axis, you kind of get this like little weird color tinge. Other than that, the build quality seems to be great so far. It charges USB Type-C. However, it does have this weird plastic thing up at the top. I'm not really sure what that's about, but maybe it's for the 5G receivers, but it's a plastic top on top. First impressions are honestly really great. It's really fast and really responsive. Hopefully over the next couple weeks, I can actually see what Google has done with the Tensor chip, see if they've improved software, see how well the battery life is, because right now it's a little bit over half charged coming out of the box. So I would love to see what happens and really what's in store for this really smart phone. Did Google deliver the promise of an insanely powerful yet really good phone? Or is it still not a flagship? I'm not sure, and I'm really looking forward to doing some really good testing with this honestly awesome phone. So with that all being said, thank you so much for watching this first impressions and unboxing video. If you did like it, make sure to hit the like button. And if you really enjoyed it, then make sure to subscribe. That way you never miss out on another video. With that all being said, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.